So hi guys, and welcome back to another new video, and today I will be unboxing these 1:64 scale Hot Wheels Audi R8 Spyder and Audi RS5 COUPE. So I have purchased these cars from a toy store, and I really like to collect Hot Wheels when I was a kid. So this was the video of the Audi R8 Spyder and Audi RS5 COUPE. Which one Audi did you like? Do comment. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.